Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Among Us using iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into Among Us on iPhone is easy. First, make sure that you've downloaded the Among Us application on your mobile device. If not, go and tap open your app store and search for Among Us into the search box. Simply download the application by tapping the get button and wait until the download is completed. Once it is, tap on open to launch open Among Us on your iPhone. Now, it'll ask you to create an account for Among Us using your Apple ID. Tap on the continue button in order to sign in using your Face ID. Now, enter your date of birth information in the text boxes. Select your month, day, and year. Finally, click on Submit. Select Yes if your date is correct. If not, tap on Edit and enter the correct information. Now, tap on the Sign In button in order to sign into your account. You've successfully signed into your account. Tap Close, and on the next page, choose a friend code by tapping on this little circle on the right corner. Remember that you should not show this code publicly unless you want everyone to know your friend code. After you are done creating your friend code, tap on confirm, click close, and select your game mode from local to online and start playing your game by tapping start. That is how you can easily log into your Among Us application using iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.